Hey, let's address the 88 key elephant in the room. This is the Glarry GDP-107, and today we're going to see if it's just another beginner digital piano, or if it's something that actually belongs on your radar. By the way, if you're into studio gear or budget finds that don't cut corners, or you just want to stop wasting time on bad recommendations, this channel's for you, so you know what to do. Alright, first off, let's talk feel. Now, the GDP-107 has fully weighted hammer action keys, not semi-weighted and not synth style. This actually mimics the graded resistance that you'd find on a real acoustic grand, which, if you're training your fingers to develop proper technique, it certainly matters. Now, let's be honest, a lot of entry-level pianos like this, they fake it. They put on weighted keys in name only, but this sub $500 option actually plays pretty expressively. I was able to get some subtle dynamics, it has good velocity response, and it was surprisingly nuanced. Alright, now let's get into some of the features. This thing has a whopping 800 voices, 600 rhythms, 80 demos, and a polyphony count of 128. Now that means that your most chord-heavy, sustain pedal down Chopin fantasies aren't going to choke out the sound engine. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but it's not all bells and whistles, though there are bells and whistles sounds in there, and they sound really good, by the way. But this also has a 3-pedal system, just like a grand piano would. So a soft, a sustain, and a sostinato pedal. But it actually also has dual Bluetooth, which means that you can transmit audio and MIDI and stream music to the piano for play-along practice or send MIDI data out for studio use. Now, here's where some folks kind of find an area of contention, and that is that they might say, well, I don't need 800 voices. I just need a great grand piano sound. And fair enough. But let's flip that narrative just a little bit. So if you're teaching or arranging or just experimenting with new genres, having access to this kind of a sound bank can actually spark creativity and maybe even get you out of a rut that you've been stuck in for a while. Now, when it comes to studio use, if you're a producer or you're even just dabbling in producing, you're going to love this because the GDP-107 supports DAWs like Cubase and Logic and Ableton and, of course, my favorite, Cakewalk. Now, the beautiful thing about this is there's no special interface that's required. You can either use the USB cable that's provided, or you can use Bluetooth to stream directly into your DAW, and now you're tracking MIDI into your DAW, or you're just playing openly into a room for a live set maybe, or you can also mic it if you'd like. So if you want to make lo-fi beats with a real piano feel, film scores on a budget, or even start a YouTube channel covering synthwave versions of Mozart, you can do that with this budget keyboard. Now lastly, let's talk value, because you don't just get the piano. Glarry actually ships this with a full setup, so you get headphones, USB cables, a pedal unit, a cover for it, cleaning cloth, and even a screwdriver to assemble everything, so you don't even need the tools that you might not have laying around. And they even included those little keyboard stickers for new learners. So in other words, you're not just paying for an affordable piano, you're actually investing in a full ecosystem for learning, composing, and performing. So the bottom line, the GDP-107 doesn't pretend to be a Steinway, and it definitely isn't as realistic sounding as an acoustic grand, but it's a rock-solid, surprisingly expressive, and absurdly well-equipped digital piano that costs less than some software plugins. So if you've got questions, drop them below and I'll try my best to respond to every single one of them. Likewise, I've included a link in the description of this video where you can go and check this out for yourself. And by the way, as of the filming of this video right now, this thing is under $400. Alright, that's it for this product. Remember that we can dream alone, we can create alone, but together we can achieve so much more.